Hi friends and families, I'm Gautam. Today I'm gonna draw two lovebirds. So we need some colors and one sheet of paper and a pencil or a marker. Then first we are gonna do is draw the branch. Okay, so first if you are drawing a branch, it should be not so straight. If it's so straight, it don't look natural. So you just have to do bumpies, a little bit of like bumpy. Okay, so after we done this, we're gonna draw the beak of the lovebird. So it's gonna be right at the middle, coming down, coming up, there. So now we're gonna add other beak like that. Then we're gonna just do this. See that? Now we're gonna add its eyes, and the eye detail we'll do later. So now we're gonna finish the body off. So we're gonna just like go up like this. Everyone will think, why does it not go there much? Because there will be another branch streaking it, like another one, another branch. Okay, there's another branch now. Just connect this. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the feathers of it. So this is gonna be the front feather, and this is gonna be the back. So it should look like this, and then we'll draw some feathers at the front to look more handsome. So from there we have done. Now what I'm gonna draw is the tail of bird. So draw two V's like this, but don't connect it. While you're connecting, just round off the, okay, like that. So you have a first bird done. So now your second bird, you do it, they are actually hugging together. So like draw like this. So now what we're gonna do is so these guys' birds are over here. Okay, so we have to add the tails to it like this. Okay, so now I'm just making the beak a little bit bigger, so it looks nicer. So like go like this, and some feathers. Then again, this should be small because this is a smaller parrot, as I'm doing. Okay. Then I noticed one thing, that this is bigger than this, so that should not be the reason. Let's draw it like this much until it reaches here. So now it has been reached there. Let's draw her nostrils. Two one's nostrils. Okay, I'll draw the nostrils right. Okay, so now we have done the nostrils. Now we're gonna just put its circles on. A little bit of nostril. So now what we're gonna do is continue with the eyes. So you do 1, 2. Shade the big circle, but not the small ones. There, like there. Then you could, if you want to make it more cuter, just add the eyelashes. And this, I'm a boy, so I'm not adding eyelashes to this one. Adding like this. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so now we have next thing what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the feathers. So you're not gonna like do like this. You're gonna put one at the top. Now you don't want to do again the same. You want to connect these and do like this. So it will increase by going bigger and bigger. As it go a little bit bigger, then it will start to So this will do. This we don't need to do the feathers because they are very small. Now what we are gonna do is probably do this, the tail. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it, 4. And 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Then just draw another layer to look more 3D because they have quite a lot of them like spread it out, but they have only one tail. But there. Go. Now I'll do the same feathers for this one. Watch in. You can do it a little bit faster. If I'm too fast, you can pause the video. And okay. So now we have done drawing the parrot. So now we're gonna just add the details to the claws of the parrot. It's gonna be 2 claws at the front and 2 claws at the back. So we're gonna one like this. Okay. So I erased it because that. Okay. So because that. If it goes wider than the tail, don't look nice and look like a parrot at all. So it should not go over the tail. There. Go like this. So we have done our parrot, so now we're gonna add the details to the branches. So go that side, then come back, then go this side. Okay, then there's so now what I'm gonna do is the branch that is holding the tree. So the tree's branches are ending. So you draw the tree. You don't need to draw the leaves on it because now you don't look this like a tree. So what you have to add is this wobbly line. That the bits of like this. You can add 2 layers in. As I didn't have space, I have so it was bad. Okay, so there's it. So the branches will be like this. When you get into these things, it will start to like increase. So like okay. Okay. probably we don't need we'll just stop right here, then we'll add details when we color. So we have done our drawing right now, so now we'll color it. So you can color any color. So for the beak, I'm gonna use this orange. You could use lighter orange and this one. So this is orange, right? So color orange all over it, like there. So we have done the beaks. Just one more detail to the beaks. Take one black. Then you have the nostrils here. Just make the nostrils dark. So make the nostrils darker. We are gonna just finish out the black by coloring her or his eye. So then we're gonna draw the inside and this one thing, like a big circle to look that it's not totally outside. So now we're gonna put, okay, so now we're gonna put is the, which color? Okay, yellow. No, we're gonna take this color. No, this is like yellow orchid. So then we color this his flaps, then we'll get into, yeah, this same color. I think I'll go for this lighter orange. So the lighter, so they don't really know it. It's because this is much lighter than this. Okay, so that. So we don't want to, we just have to bring it until here. Then we're gonna suddenly take, so we are gonna make it lighter and lighter while we go. Then we're gonna, this is called blending. Then when we're adding the yellow, it gives us an effect of the feathers turning into the color. From here you color. Okay, so now for the feathers we'll draw, no need to change of color, solid green. There. So fast. These colors. If you want to buy these colors, go to Popular. Okay, so there. I'm gonna tell you the steps of the tail. Is the same as this, so we're gonna color this off, and this is a rare lovebird or sometimes popular. So we're gonna just take the color that we took for the beak, the top color, then I'm gonna just gonna so it's dark, so it just blends with. So take your white, so that's gives the smooth. See, you see that smoothness. Give the white by. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is for the tip, just color like this. So we have colored this. You want that? I'm gonna just color the tip for here. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is take the face green, go over the face. Actually, when lovebirds are hugging each other, it should be the same type. It should not be like from a different relation or a different way. So, okay, so if you, okay, so now we are together. Just, I told you, just make it very light, white. It do not should be very straight when you like this. Should not be so straightened, because now we add the yellow. Yeah. So in this point, you have to color the yellow so much. Yeah. Just first a little bit slow. Take your time. Just pause the video. And as well, we just add the green. It's just the same step as this. I'm doing it or there, like that. So we have done our parakeets. And now for the claws of the parakeets, it's gonna be blue color. I've checked it. It's gonna be. So it's not gonna be totally blue in color. We have to use a tiny bit of black stripes on it, as I done with the pencil. So it's black. Just take out the black off. Just to add tiny bits like this. Okay, so now we're gonna take two types of brown, dark brown and normal brown. No need light brown. So for the dark brown, we're just gonna, the lines we drew, we're just gonna follow all the steps, all the lines you drew. Okay, so all the lines you drew for this. Okay, so now I'm gonna color it. This brown looks like red. Maybe I'll take this. Okay, like there. Yeah, that's so. So if you didn't, it's like there. You can see a little bit only because I'm not giving it a very big stress. Coloring so hardly. I'm just gonna like okay, so I'm not adding the background now. If you like to add, you can just color here darker with dark blue and the lighter bars, because it will be more darker at the top of the sky where planets are there. Okay, so we'll do it a little bit quick. I'm just gonna trace the lines. I can't see. Okay, so okay, so you can pause the video. So take your time. Okay. Just like there. You can add leaves. I'm adding a little bit of leaves. Creativity. So I have the what you see is this, because so that's for the 3D street look. By the light brown, I colored these like this very fast. You can do it slowly. Like this. So now we just take our green. So don't. There's some fruits in the trees, but I'm not drawing fruits this time. I'm drawing some dry leaves and some very bright leaves. So these are almost not very bright leaves. I'll use the bright green for very bright leaves. So these are like medium green. Okay, so this is not fully covered. This is what we needed. For the edges we didn't cover, we are gonna put down yellow. So then you can go. You don't need to cover the edges. So now we're gonna go with dark brown. You can see dark brown. See there, this color. Okay, so there we go. Bring that color down, down. So now we're almost done. Just this one to color more. Okay, so you just have to just add some leaves here. We don't, okay, so just add some leaves here. And just some more leaves here. Just some more leaves here. just, if you like to draw leaves, but I'm just covering this edge like as we done that time. Like as I have, okay, there we go. Now we have lived a little bit gap. So we have done our drawing. If you want to do the background, you can do it the background with blue color or sunset. So isn't it nice? Make sure you like the, okay, so this is the drawing of the picture. Isn't it nice? I hope that you have liked this video. Give likes and please subscribe and press the notification bell, and thank you for watching.